Alright, this is the elevator here at Liverpool Galerías, Merida in Merida, Mexico. We have an Otis Gen 2. And it just left. It was just right here. We have these arrows, which doesn't seem to work. I think it's here. I can't really tell. Yeah, the call button just went out. I think this thing's a little straight, so right there's your MP. Okay, here it is now, so no need to mess around with the call button. So alright, we're gonna go down to 0. The one button is still lit. Here at 0, can't see the indicator well. It's installed, I think, around 1999. Sweet. Okay. That's it. It's a notice from 1999. Okay. I don't want to get this man on picture. Pasa. Just your nice elevator. Here are your fixtures and the indicator. I cannot show the full cab. So, alright, well, there it goes, and that's it.